Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Duty Colonel.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen of the committee. I appreciate it. Today I'm representing the Louisiana Self-Defense Coalition, which is a group of 13 organizations, which includes the Louisiana Shooters Association, amongst others, such as those in the red shirts behind me from the Home Defense Foundation in New Orleans. And it's a group that was stood up just a few weeks ago from all around the state, and includes the Louisiana Power Coalition, which you've heard me say that I previously represented. I've given you a letter, and I'll just read the letter into the record, if that's okay.
Sure.
The Louisiana Self-Defense Coalition opposes HB 424, which amends provisions of law regarding the claim of self-defense and the use of force or violence and justifiable homicide. This bill is an attempt to severely impair a person's right to self-defense through the use of arms by requiring a law-abiding citizen who is in the process of deciding whether to use deadly force or not to retreat before applying such force justifiably. LSDC finds this law to be an unacceptable infringement on a citizen's Second Amendment rights and expects all members to please vote against HB 424. And I would just ask you to consider, and I understand Representative Lyons' intent, I believe, and I appreciate him bringing the bill forward. Every one of these types of bills is worth discussion. But to institute on law-abiding citizens at 2 o'clock in the morning when they're in their home and they've got their firearm or their weapon or their arm in their hand and they have an intruder in the house, a decision on whether they are going to be the aggressor or not when they are thinking they have to defend their life and their property from death or bodily harm is unreasonable expectation based on all of the training and the requirements of being able to bear arms and defend oneself in this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Welcome to the Capitol.